Mohian to do you just go very time away. The voice record where as on where it learn. Forget my body. A balabala with you. A balabala with ya low. More memoir, more book. Ya low. You go know the person where you jump. God mother my foot. God mother go prick. Wa su a shower the mama. Shower liye. O game milk industry. Wa valley go abon. Organic go breast. Frank know the likes one there. Frank not go fit marry my girl because my girl Frank not go fit marry my Kevin. Because my Kevin not get big breast. No, now you are come marry because you get milk industry. Community breast. Wa gbe wa gbon. O tun na poro onisan. O tun na poro onisan go wali ku go ngare Europe. No, don't you marry to Nigeria mo ade webu. Do we not dey okay when you go? Why can't you do visa for your brother? What's the number visa not when you are not ade webu? You know go look when marry in Nigeria. No make that the visa no make that ade webu. Bewagbon after many years of frustration. Or see when the social media blogger. Here may be. Can't you tell it to invite your brother if you were a good woman? It will suffer for you at the end of the day. You not frustrated to go. You bear the frustration level. When you frustrated to go, and you have frustrated, it will be. And you will have frustrated to be. No soon after Bashaw for many years, you are alongside with some so-called blood stupid presenters out there. You go back big against Sadia. Some of them got back to the white man. You know, you feel like you need. But at the end of the day, you went down to Roma. Eric was not picking from the streets of Ibia. Bring you to your house, feed your ass, take care of your brothers, or turn more lawyer now. Eric money contributed to that idiot. Where are you school for? Gabon was the one that sponsored that guy to school. At the end of the day, you guys turn against him. At 9 minutes. Or even sick bed. Una do abandon wa go le small boy soon we never wa if I gonna allow e gbe vera when I bell no you we bia ko yin igbe sadeya I ma wo da ife mo gbo e ni ye ma na you will know is menwa when he agbo physically with Facebook na e he agbo spiritually e me the man we so wa anyway the man we so wa to we kere gbe nyan we yare wa ge pesa no nyegbo I go show you pepper for this social media. In my way, that's no. Oh, who are not working again? No, we are Jonas, not Bewagon. A Jonas knows your boy, ne yaw boy, ne 419. Jonas no homo, no Boralis and all soon with the Neburowa. What's that Jonas? A head down of Jonas, no, or Monatic cross Libya. A head down, no, Jonas. Also, the Jonas Monatic cross Libya. A Gregor who for many years might be begin with Munich Biabia. Who must be begin again. At the end of the day, we not take to the embassy. You saw this man, a man was away or Zaguda, or Zaguda. Is you well or Zaguda? This man was feeding you and your family. Oh, no more at the lot no more less. No more less, no more at the Bashaw, no Balasina. I go disgrace you, Mota. Thank God I know all your secrets. But in Madame will carry you come off now. He did my pan. He had disgraced you from the beginning to the end, to the fullest. Oma no bekum. A partner or you made mistake by fighting with your bosses, and that bosses will disgrace you, and that is why I am no or a bosses way. Now me be your bosses, Vera Osazuwa, more a bosses way, and I will tear you apart on this video. Wow, not your memory, and you will hear my story. The whole social media will hear our story on this Facebook. Yeah, I love the way I say BOT till my last breath. Till my last breath. Yeah, I love her way. Vera, my own at your man at your Frank was here. Where I want at your Frank was again. Ubo, I got dear is winning. There are no color anyone. Okay, you will hear my story just now. You go hear her. Wow, go now. But Bob will be good anyway. Either if you don't play, hey, are you boy your guy? About what you mean anyway? Me, I ready for you. You never see anything. Tell your brother to make it the blog, make it the strike. Who be this one? This one not be your husband. This one not be your husband. Not be your husband. Be this when they day hospital. When your husband they do operation for prick. Not be this one. Here go. Not be your husband. Be this. I take get all this picture. Not be your husband. Be this. I take get all this picture. Not be your husband. Be this. This one a video. Not be your husband. Be this. Where your husband go do operation. Hey, I go so much deal with you. That your evil. When you say follow you console. Now me go cure you. I be your doctor. Now me go cure you that evil for this social media. I so much happy say you damn media. Now me go cure you. All your secrets. You do my hand. The wrongest mistake you have ever made is knowing memoir. And you no fear. You say you dash me house of 300. You dash me land of 300,000. And I bought car of 2 million for your brother. You say you don't come dash me the land again. I can't pay. Madam, 2 million and I pay back car for your brother. I forget the one money where your brother at the top. I not send those one. Those one are not my life. The man send him go not to way at all. Not send down. But 2 million they had him not to where they need me. Then I'm going to have balance it minus 300,000 plus 400,000 altogether 700,000 for the 2 plots. If you say me not pay you money, say you dash me 2 plots free, 2 million minus that from 700,000. Then let's see who gonna balance each other. Of course. Let me see who want balance each other. But I know where Oton where we're hearing men, not be you get the land. Because now your husband money, now you take acquire that land. So the land when you say you dash me now, not still be your land. You say the money will be meted back car for your brother. Not be my money, now dash me the money. Just the way the land you still say you back. So now your husband money, now child benefit you take back the land. Not be your money. Hello. So you do plus and minus. Minus 700,000 from 2 million. Give me my money 1.7, 1.3 thousand. 1,300,000, 1.3. Give me 1,300,000. Now very simple thing. You never tell the world why you say you seize my house. How are you, master? You go na money. You never tell the world why you seize my house. Better I should not go cast time. He go cast. He don't cast to he go cast. Mother's coming now. I just do my drink. Otwan. Is that Jonas? God. Some people, they are so useless. That's the reason why things go to happen to them wrongly. They go to munazen, they go to munoso. When God they bless you, they're going to call you witch. You understand? Now imagine when I go and his brother, the funnest part of it all and his brother. There are many people say, his brother, me and his brother go talk. Doesn't mean I don't tell his sister. You understand? As a guy man, no say women they talk. So I'd rather confide on the brother than the woman. Because the woman they talk anyhow. The man not close because the BP where she gets, the high blood pressure where she gets. So she always like to talk. So I can't see and say now person will see me to the life to talk. Now life video about the talk. If you know me for grant, when I don't get time for the moment talk. After that, I'll be all chief for this place, not in the evening. So they dream my dream. Put music at the dance. I don't even go live video. I let the dance. I let enjoy myself here. No time to check time. You're there. It is stand asking for you. For those who know me, they know the kind of person we have been. If I go to catch up music, no, they're going to find remote. If I come music blocks. I'm feeling the jingle, what the years vibes, what the year vibes, what the year vibes, you understand? I want year, because no time, you understand now? I thought if I go move on. They don't understand. I tell you, I say, Epa, move on. Move on. This woman, you don't gonna feel understand. You don't believe saying get wife. But you don't get wife again. Your wife don't corrupt. Jama don't spoil your wife for you. Jama don't spoil your wife. Your wife don't finish. Move on with your life. When there is life, there is hope. About follow up, you be big name. Okay, I don't say that one I'm not thing now. Past glory. What the time so? You see they use your past glory to follow up. They get them clear for the Roma. For the romantics, for the embassy there. Move on with your life. You get one room. At least before months end, if you see they get like 300 or 500, you pay your assistance, you pay your bills, you suffer, they follow up. You understand? People will remember you, remember. People not remember you, may even cool the man down. What you concern me? Life goes on. That's not life your be. No level. You understand? Nobody will buy for this life today. That will better keep follow on. In one day. As I go day Italy here now, because on the bad thing happen to that man, I said that man your oof. What you make you feel say, Mama I go come down from Germany, come do burial. That woman, Mama I go, with the evil. Oh my bro, now not be lie yo. I tell you the truth. Oh what's your man? Believe some people say, oh what's your man? Oh whoa, Eru ya here le maleti. Iye go na very good example of Eru. Le maleti. Man, when you are in suffer. Where should I see you? Thank you very much for the start. Man, when you are in suffer, don't say you are in suffer. Now the man suffer. The man already made before he know you. Before you know Tony Embassy, he don't get car, don't a cruise carton, don't a paint Roma black and red. For that same embassy there. Means the bongo whenever I enter abroad. Make I go tell you, may I tell you the story of Tony Embassy for Roma. Where you know say I be live video presenter. With a day with men, they $6 million. This how far you know this woman. You know this woman, they will give you gist. When you make the cash for me, they anyhow. People will tell me about your husband. 247. And I respect I see the get for her. Based on old men, we don't make name when they are blood, see the active that year. Old school, we don't make name when they are blood, they active. This one will be men when they do control. You understand? Tony Embassy don't be mad when they do control. I'm not going to say, baby, my guy, now even police officer for Nigeria. Now first man for Nigeria before you enter abroad. So you're using like a man will not touch money. Okay, this can't go wrong. The man go prison. The man come out of prison. Inside prison, you know how many euros the man carry come and give this woman for prison. This woman go use that build house for Lagos, buy land. Use the rest of to do in house. Not be the one you give his sister. Not be the one you give his sister out. Money where you give his sister chop am. In family. Now my parents go money of the take go school. He didn't move by do one thing in the latest Taylor. Taylor, when you really boy